Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Chevy Blazer garage door opener. First, let's clear any existing programming. Locate the 3 home link buttons, usually on your overhead console. Press and hold the 2 outer buttons simultaneously for approximately 20 seconds. The indicator light will first flash slowly, then rapidly, confirming that the system's memory has been successfully cleared and is ready for new programming. Next, we'll program the home link system using your existing garage door remote. Position your remote control 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Now, simultaneously press and hold the home link button you wish to program and the button on your garage door remote. Continue holding both until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash, indicating successful programming. For garage door openers with rolling code technology, you'll need to synchronize with the motor. Go to your garage door opener motor unit and locate the Learn or Smart button. Press and immediately release this button. You now have about 30 seconds to return to your Blazer. Once inside, press the home link button you just programmed 3 times, holding it for 2 seconds each time. Finally, it's time to test your newly programmed home link button. Press the button you programmed and observe if your garage door opens or closes. If it doesn't work as expected, don't worry. Simply repeat all the programming steps from the beginning, ensuring each step is followed precisely. You can also refer to your garage door opener's owner's manual for any specific model instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.